everyone, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel and to another video. So today I have an amazing, delicious, very unhealthy recipe for you. Now, a few months ago I came across in a Brazilian video a girl that I watch her videos. I will link her below. If you understand Portuguese, you're more than welcome to watch it. These beautiful looking, delicious looking cakes, whatever you want to call them, you'll decide, because I'm not quite sure. She called them rain cakes. Now, once I made them, I think you will probably call them donut holes. You'll have to tell me what you think. But basically, they look delicious, and I thought they would be really appropriate because they are best eaten warm. And for this season, you can add pumpkin spice. I'll show you what I mean in a minute, but let's just get straight into the video. Let me show you the ingredients. And just to let you know, I will put the ingredients in the box below. So here are the ingredients you will need to make the dough or batter. You will need 1 1/4 cups of plain flour, half a cup of milk, half a cup of sugar, half a tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 egg. You will also need a plate with some kitchen paper on it, as well as a little bowl with sugar. I prefer icing sugar with cinnamon. Now this is where you could potentially add pumpkin spice to it, and then you would have a very autumny recipe, though I don't like pumpkin spice because of the cloves in it, so I just use cinnamon, which is in itself a very autumnal or wintry spice. You will also need a frying pan or a deep pan, whatever you want to use, with lots and lots of vegetable oil or sunflower oil, whatever you prefer, to fry this dough in. All you need after that is a bowl and a whisk, and let's get to it. delicious dessert or tea time treat that is bound to impress your guests and yourself, and it's delicious hot or cold, best eaten the same day but still edible the following day, trust me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.